Blondie and Berry's Fruitful Friendship. Rapunzel is so happy to have Blondie as her pony. She visits the royal stables every day to brush Blondie's long tail and mane. One day, Rapunzel brings a bucket of bright red apples to the stable for Blondie and the royal horses to share. Blondie loves apples, but by the time she reaches the bucket, the apples are all gone. The other horses have eaten them all. Blondie is a little sad, so she decides to go for a walk. The sky is bright blue and the air is crisp and sweet. Suddenly, Blondie spots a shiny red apple. Then she finds another and another. When Blondie looks up, there are apples everywhere. Now she has more than she can eat. But what Blondie really wants is a friend to share her treats with. That's when Blondie looks up and sees a hummingbird flying overhead. "Hi, I'm Shiver," says the hummingbird, "and I've just a friend for you. Her name is Berry, and she loves fruit." Blondie is excited. She can't wait to meet Berry. "Let's fly," says Shimmer, and with a hum and a whir, they're off. When they land, Blondie finds herself in a magical forest. She has never seen so many blueberry bushes. Blondie is looking around in amazement when she hears a rustle and spots a fluffy white tail poking out from a shrub. Berry's fluffy white tail gives a little shake, then she rolls a single blueberry out to Blondie. And then another, and then another. Blondie tastes the berries. They are so sweet and delicious. "Follow me," says Berry. "I'll show you where the biggest blueberries are." Together they collect as many as they can find and share them with Berry's forest friends. Oh, look, there's a squirrel and a bluebird and there's a little tortoise. Soon it is time for Blondie to go home. "Goodbye," she shouts as she flies off. The little pony is sad to leave her new friends, but she is excited to see her princess again. And now Blondie knows how to make friends with the royal horses. After saying goodbye to Shimmer, Blondie heads straight to the apple orchard. She fills a bucket with apples. And shares them with all the other royal horses. Now Blondie has a stable full of friends.